Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain B.Tech, that is a Sem 1 second year EEE power system important subject. Okay, so here I'm explaining the long answer questions and short answer questions, that is from unit 1 generation of electric power. So coming to the first question, explain the layout and operation of a hydel power plant with a need diagram. Explain the layout and operation of a thermal power plant. Explain the working principle of nuclear power plant with layout. Explain the layout and operation of a gas power plant. Compare hydel, thermal, nuclear and gas power plants. Explain the factors affecting the selection of a power plant site. Explain solar power plant with block diagram. Explain wind power plant with block diagram. Okay, these are very important long answer questions. Now coming to the short answer questions. Advantages and disadvantages of thermal power plant. Advantages of hydel power plant, nuclear power plant components, gas turbine plant, solar energy, wind energy, site selection factors. Okay, so now moving to the unit 2, economics of power generation. So I have mentioned the long answer questions here. Explain connected load, maximum demand and demand factor. Now coming to the second question, explain load factor, diversity factor and capacity factor. Draw and explain load curve and load duration curve. Explain the selection of number and size of generating units. Explain base load and peak load plants. Explain the cost of electrical energy. Seventh one is explain tariff methods. Okay. So now moving to the short answer questions. Connected load, maximum demand, demand factor, diversity factor, load factor, tariff, fixed cost and running cost. So now moving to the unit 3, air insulated substations, that is AIS. Here also I have mentioned the long answer questions. Explain indoor and outdoor substations. Draw and explain the layout of an air insulated substation. Explain single bus bar arrangement. Explain sectionalized single bus bar arrangement. Explain main and transfer bus bar system. Okay, so now moving to the short answer questions. Indoor substation, outdoor substation, single bus bar, sectionalized bus bar, main and transfer bus bar. Okay, these are very important from unit 3. Now moving to unit 4, gas insulated substations, that is GIS. So here also I have mentioned the long answer questions. Explain the construction and working of gas insulated substation, that is GIS. And next, the second one is explain the advantages of GIS over AIS. Explain different types of GIS. Draw and explain the single line diagram of GIS. Explain installation and maintenance of GIS. Compare AIS and GIS. So now the last unit is fifth unit, that is AC distribution. Long answer questions are explain single phase AC distribution system. Explain three phase 3-wire distribution system. Explain 3-phase 4-wire distribution system. Explain voltage drop calculations in AC distributions. Explain selection of substation site. Sixth one is solve numerical problems on AC distribution. Short answer questions are AC distribution, voltage drop, 3-phase 3-wire system, 3-phase 4-wire system, bus bar arrangement, selection of substation site. Yeah, next I have mentioned the most important questions frequently asked in JNTUH. ఓకే, సో మీరు అన్ని యూనిట్స్ మీకు వచ్చు అంటే మీకు ఓ గ్రేడ్ వస్తుంది. జస్ట్ పాస్ అవ్వాలన్నా కూడా మీరు 3 to 4 యూనిట్స్ నేర్చుకోండి. రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ దీని నోట్స్ నెక్స్ట్ వీటి ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్స్ కూడా నేను మీకు వీడియోస్ పెడతాను. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. లైక్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్.